Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i and today I'm going to show you how to add the workout to the workout list on this watch. So let's get started. So first we need to open the workout menu, and to do it, wake up the screen, then press the Chrome button to open the menu and tap on the workout icon. And here we have the list of workouts, and as you can see, there's quite few, but you might be missing something you want to use as a workout. And if you do, you can always tap on Custom. Here you can tap on Add and scroll through the list of categories, find the category you are interested in, open it. Hello. Okay, we can't open this one for some reason. It doesn't want to open. It just closes itself immediately. So let's try with the cycling. So open the category, select the workout you want to add, and tap on OK. And the workout will be added on the list. And then you can use it if you want to. You can also tap on Custom, and here you can basically move the workouts around. You can move them on the list by tapping on the arrow next to them. So this arrow just moves the workout up. So if you want to have some workout at the top, you just keep tapping on the arrow to move it up. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back. Also, I forgot to mention, but you can also remove the workout. So if you go to the workout menu, go to the workout you want to remove, find it, tap on it. No, not right here, on the three dots next to it. Come on. Then you can tap on remove, tap on the check mark, and the workout will be removed. And basically that's how you add the workout to the workout menu on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.